Hello everyone. In today's topic, we will learn about words that we can use when we go to the restaurant or the cafe, any type of cafe or the place where we can eat food or snacks. So first of all, we have that useful phrase. It is making a reservation. About making a reservation. So our first phrase is I would like to make a reservation. O'zbekchada men joy buyurtma bermoqchiman degan ma'noni bildiradi. Ikkinchisi bu savol ko'rinishidagi gapimiz. Can I see the menu? Menyuni ko'rsam bo'ladimi? Yoki buyurtma bermoqchi bo'lsak, ishlatadigan phrasimiz I would like to order. Men buyurtma berishni xohlayman. Har qanday narsani buyurtma berish uchun biz I would like so'zlaridan foydalansak maqsadga muvofiq bo'ladi. Misol uchun I would like some tea. I would like a food. I would like a fruit. And when we want to ask about the ingredients or the allergens, we say does this contain ... For example, does this contain nuts? Does this contain apple? Or does this contain a butter? Buni ichida yong'oqlar bormi? Buni ichida olma bormi? Yoki buni ichida sariq yog' bormi? Hisobni to'lashga keladigan bo'lsak, bu ingliz tilida paying the bill deb nomlanadi va ishlatadigan gapimiz Could I have the check please? Hisobni olsam bo'ladimi? Iltimos. Biz endi yuqorida o'rgangan gaplarimizdan misol ko'ramiz. Good morning. Good morning. Xayrli tong. Avvalgi mavzularimizdan birida o'rganganmiz. Good morning. I would like to order. Can I see the menu? I would like tea. Could I have the check please? O'zbekchada xayrli tong. Men buyurtma bermoqchiman. Menyuni ko'rsam bo'ladimi? Men choy xohlayman yoki men choy buyurtma bermoqchiman. Oxirida esa chekni, ya'ni hisobni olsam bo'ladimi, iltimos. Bugungi mavzuda o'rganadigan eng kerakli va qisqa gaplarimiz shulardan iborat edi.